Hello everyone. Today we will see the Python program to find the product of two compatible matrices. So here we are taking two matrices and we are finding out the product or multiplication of two matrices. Say for example we have X matrices. The values are like it is having 3 rows and 3 columns. And we have Y matrices. Again this is also having 3 rows and 3 columns, 3 cross 3 matrices. And we have one more matrix called result matrices, which is also initialized with 3 cross 3 values. Here it will take the values of X and it will multiply the values with Y using the for loop I, J and for loop K. In this statement, it will do the multiplication of two matrices and the result will be stored in the result matrices. Result of Ij plus X of Ik into Y of Kj. This will be done. Multiplication will be done and it will be stored in result of Ij. Later it will print the result. For example, now if you execute the program, you can see the output, the result, multiplication of two matrices X and Y in the following. The values are like 15, 18, 12, 30, 36, 24, 45, 54. The multiplication will be done in this way. The rows will get multiplied with values of columns like 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3 will be multiplied with 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8, 9, 1. Say for example X into Y. First it will take the value of 1 multiplied with 2 plus 1 into 5 plus 1 into 8. This is for first value. Here 1 into 2 plus 1 into 5 plus 1 into 8. Next 1 into second column 3 plus 1 into 6 plus 1 into 9. This is first the second value. 1 into 3, 1 into 6 plus 1 into 9. Next third one will be 1 into 4 plus 1 into 7 plus 1 into 1. You can see 1 into 4 plus 1 into 7 plus 1 into 1. For the second one, take 2 into 2, 2 into 5 and 2 into 8. 2 into 2 plus 2 into 5 plus 2 into 8. Next 2 with second column into 3 plus 2 into 6 plus 2 into 9. 2 into 3 plus 2 into 6 plus 2 into 9. Next 2 into 4 plus 2 into 7 plus 2 into 1. 2 into 4 plus 2 into 7 plus 2 into 1. Next 3 into 2 plus 3 into 5 plus 3 into 8. 3 into 2 plus 3 into 5 plus 3 into 8. Next value, second column 3 into 3 plus 3 into 6 plus 3 into 9. You can see the values here. Next one, third column 3 into 4, 3 into 7, 3 into 1. 3 into 4 plus 3 into 7 plus 3 into 1. See the values. 1 into 2, 5, 8, 3, 6, 9, 4, 7, 1. Next row 4, 10, 16, 6, 12, 18, 8, 4, 14, 2, 6, 15, 24, 9, 18, 27, 12, 21, 3. Final result will be the final values 15, 18, 12, 30, 36, 24, 45, 54, 36. See the values. This is how the product of two compatible matrices using the X matrices, Y matrices, using these values 3 rows and 3 columns will be stored in the result using 3 for loops, and this is the statement and this is for printing the result. This statement is important. and next you will do printing. Let us execute one more time.